Druids Ridge not showing a great deal of pace after coming out of the gate. Intermediate blew out of the machine. Crofton went straight to the lead. Forever the Optimist second. Deerfield is close. Trinity Force and Labab are going forward. Cross Grain will settle sixth. He's 3 deep at the end of 400 metres. A length and a half to Idler on the inside of Bannock, followed by Global City. Then Signs in the Sand, Special Boy. Druids Ridge is second last, and Resolute Response had dropped out to the rear. Intermediate takes them past the 800 metres mark, led by 3/4 of a length. Trinity Force second. Forever the Optimist, a length and a half away third. A half length to Labab, then Signs in the Sand, Bannock, Cross Grain. Deerfield is hung up on the fence in midfield as they come towards the bend. A length away Idler. Resolute Response very deep, and Special Boy is amongst the cap catchers coming around the turn. Trinity Force joined Intermediate. They led by a length and a half to Deerfield. Forever the Optimist. Bannock on the outside. Cross Grain getting a split. Intermediate in front at the 200 from Forever the Optimist. Cross Grain gets the split. Bannock on the outside. Cross Grain drives through, grabs the lead. Idler flashing at the end on the inside. Lahab flashing too. Cross Grain. Cross Grain has won from a photo between Labab and Idler. Resolute Response not far away, nor was Bannock. Forever the Optimist, Special Boy.